Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'll be teaching you how to make beans and corn Nigerian delicacy. In Yoruba we call it ewa tagbado or otherwise called Adalu. Sit tight and enjoy the video. So guys, I came across this fresh maize during one of my visits to the neighboring city, and it was actually sold in an open market. Well, in the absence of fresh corn, you can also make this delicacy using the sweet corn, the one that comes in can. And I've tried it before. It's actually nice too. But beans and corn meal cooked with fresh maize has its own special taste, and the taste is just so unique. So guys, the first step is to get the corn ready, and you can cook the corn by adding salt or without salt. And once the corn is ready, just remove, and please do not discard the water. The water serves as the starting base for cooking the beans. After washing the beans, just add into the water. You can as well add additional water and also add some onions. And while this cook, you can get ready all other ingredients. First, you can blend your pepper mix. For mine, I use crayfish, scent leaf, and pepper. I actually have some blended pepper, hot pepper at home, so I'm just going to add some into this, some onion, and blend. And to remove the corn from the cup, you can use a knife. And for expert, you can make use of your hand, but making use of your hand takes much time, so the knife helps to save time, but be careful with your hands while removing the corn. Once the beans is soft, you can add in the corn and allow to cook for some time, and ensure you check the water level from time to time, because you might need to add in more water. Earlier I mentioned adding some scent leaf to my pepper blend. You can actually substitute this with any fresh herbs you have, like parsley or just anyone you have. Now that my beans and corn is soft and well cooked, I'll be adding in the pepper blend and palm oil. And now you can actually cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And do not forget to adjust the seasoning by adding in some salt. If you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more yummy recipe. And for all lovers of beans and corn, kindly leave a comment or drop a love emoji in the comment section. And if this is your first time trying this recipe, kindly drop a comment. See you some other time with another yummy recipe.